Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to add multiple Microsoft accounts in Windows laptop. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu. Right click on it, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to accounts. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to email and accounts. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to add a Microsoft account. It's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to simply enter your Microsoft mail address. But if you don't have an existing Microsoft account, simply click on create one right here. But in this tutorial, I will simply enter my Microsoft email address. So I'm going to simply enter it straight up. Then having entered the email address, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on next right here. Then we have to enter the login password. Simply click on sign in right here. So to easily and secure access out with this particular mail, you need to set it up with Windows Hello fingerprint or PIN. If you already have it set up, we will automatically add it for this account. You may be asked to re-verify with Windows Hello. So if you have it already, what you need to do is to simply click on OK. Or if you don't have the Microsoft verification PIN, simply click on create new PIN. So in this tutorial, I will simply click on OK because I have this particular PIN already. So right here, we need to verify your identity for this particular account. So what you need to do is to simply enter your PIN. And if you forgot your PIN, click on forgotten PIN and create a new PIN. So while waiting for verification, boom, the account has been successfully created, just like what you see right here. This is account 1 and this is account 2. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply add multiple Microsoft accounts on Windows laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.